Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this cheetah print pumpkin. First, I'm going to go in with the blue that's provided in your paint kit, and I'm going to base coat my pumpkin. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the brown, and I'm going to paint my stem. After that, I'll be going in with the tan color that's provided, and I'm just going to go on and start making these splotches all over the pumpkin. And these are just kind of funky little spots. They are not perfect circles or anything like that. I kind of just do two little curves, and that's it. And then I'll go in with the brown, and I'll just go on the sides of the cheetah print. So I'm not like going all around it. I'm just doing a little bit on each side, and then I highlight everything with white. And after that's dry, I go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything. And I'm just doing these loose little outlines around the cheetah print, giving it some definition, but not really following it too closely. And then after I'm done with that, I will actually be done. And this is a really easy pattern to follow. Of course, if you guys have any questions, make sure to let us know in the comments, and have a great day.